The most positive Lunc price prediction for 2023 is $0. Costs for Terra exemplary could reach $0. Barishell UNC cost expectation for 2023 is $0 in this land exemplary cost expectation 2023. We will break down the value examples of Lunc by using precise broker-friendly technical analysis points and also predict the future development of digital money. Land examples of blocking and backing up. The diagram below shows the possible levels of resistance and support for land exemplar in 2023. According to the above research, if land exemplary's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit a level of $0 for resistance. On the other hand, if land exemplary's bears start to lead the pack, it could hit a level of $0 for support. If bears take over the pattern, the price of Lunc could fall to $0. Land an example of good value 2023 vol, MOM and RSI technical analysis indicators like relative volume moving average and relative strength record of landing exemplary are shown in the chart below. The technical analysis indicator relative volume is used to limit the trading volume of a resource link to its new average volumes. It is usually calculated by dividing the trading volume of the current day by the average trading volume over a set time, such as the past 20 or 50 trading days. It also helps brokers spot unusual trading movements and changes. Market sentiment at the time of investigation. An example plot of land was found under the end line. This means that not many people are trading the latest thing. The changing normal is the next special pointer. This force pointer is used to organize cost data and spot patterns. It helps figure out the average cost of a resource over a certain time frame, especially the 50-day moving average. Normal measures the average closing price of a resource over the past day. When the price of a resource is above 50 Ma, it is in an uptrend, and when it is below 50 Ma, it is in a decline. The Lunc cost is under $50 in the line above, which shows that it is going down. So, Lunc is in a bad state. Even though this is how things are right now, a pattern inversion could happen. The next list is of all the team's strengths. Basically, this indicator helps traders figure out the strength and power of a resource's price change over a certain time period. In this analysis, the RSI is calculated by looking at the average gains and losses of the resource over the past 14 periods. The next value is between 0 and 100. So, readings above 70 indicate an overbought state and readings below 30 indicate a depressed state. Fundamentally, traders often use the RSI to spot possible pattern reversals or to confirm the pattern's direction. For instance, let's say a resource is going up and the RSI shows an overbought level of 70. If a resource is going down and the RSI is reading 30, it could mean that a slowdown or correction is coming. It could point to an expected reversal. At the time of investigation, Lunc's RSI is 34.57, which means it's almost in an oversold state. This also means that Lunc sends a buy signal to figure out how strong the pattern energy is. Let's look at the typical direction file that the ADS team got from the two-directional development pointers like +DD on, which is between 0 and 100. According to the information on the above diagram, the ADS of Lunc is in the range of 17.7986, which shows a weak pattern. The above diagram also shows another specialized pointer, the general instability file. This marker measures how unpredictable the cost of a resource will change over a certain time period. Based on the information in the descriptions, the RV of Lunc is under 50. Showing little change, a comparison of Lunc with BTC and ETH. Let's now compare the price changes of land with those of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above, we can see that Lunc's value is similar to that of BTC and ETH. This means that when the price of BTC and ETH goes up, Lunc's price goes down. The price of Lunc goes up and down as well. Separately, land an example of good value 2024 to 2030. With the help of the above technical research tips and pattern design, we can predict that the average price of land will be somewhere between 2024 and 2030. Land an example of good value 2024. If bulls control the price energy and trend patterns, land exemplary could test and beat its resistance levels to hit $0. 2024 land exemplary cost estimate for 2025. Important changes to the land exemplary biological system could persuade a larger number of investors to back the project. This could help the land exemplary cost hit 0.2025 land exemplary value expectation. 2026, it will hit 2 cents if land exemplary tests its major obstruction levels well and keeps moving toward its potential gains. Land an example of good value 2027, Lunc will rise to hit 5 cents if land exemplary keeps up strong competition and is seen as a better investment choice. Land exemplary price prediction 2028, AUSC will hit 10 cents if land exemplary maintains a positive market opinion in the highly volatile crypto market by driving a strong price rally. Land exemplary price prediction 2029, if investors run and keep putting money into land exemplary, the price will go up to $1.29. So, Lunc could reach 70 cents by 2029, according to the land exemplary value expectation for 2030. By 2030, the price of Lunc could rise to $1 if the trend energy for land exemplary changes. Also, Lunc would have a positive market opinion and be called a long-term investment with a high return on capital. If land exemplary becomes a wise investment in 2023, this year would be the best for digital money, taking everything into account. Also, the negative land exemplary cost expectation for 2023 is $0. If there is a positive rise in the market force and investors' feelings, then land exemplary could hit $0. With future changes and updates to the land exemplary biological system, Lunc could beat its current all-time high of $119.18 in market's new ADH1. Lunc is the country's local cryptocurrency. Land exemplary is a proof-of-stake cryptocurrency based on the Universe SDK, and Tenderman Terraform Labs will release the main version of it in 2019. Where can you buy land exemplary? On the following digital currency exchanges, like Binance, KuCoin, Forks, Deepcoin, Ox, and DCoinGate, merchants can trade land exemplaried. IOBinks will leave, and MEXC3 will get a good score. With all the changes and twists that keep happening on the land exemplary stage, it's likely that land exemplary will reach its ADH soon. 4. What is land exemplary's current all-time high?